Hello, so this is 18th of August, which is a Sunday, and I'm sure you'd be enjoying a long weekend with your friends and families. I thought of sharing a couple of my trades which have actually come on beautiful levels of buying, whether they are indices like Nifty or maybe a couple of stocks and commodities like gold, silver, natural gas, and copper. So this video is going to be very quick, where I'll be sharing my previous trades also, which I have shared in my previous videos, which have worked fantastically well, along with these new trades which I'm going to plan in the next week. So as a ritual, I'm going to show you the trades which I planned it previously and also discussed and shared in my previous videos, and then I'll be sharing my trades which I'm going to plan next week, which is from tomorrow onwards. First trade was, of course, is Nifty. This was a 15-minute level which where I took my trade previously. This was my entry at 24,120. This is where I put my stop loss. This was a beautiful support from where prices have actually come exactly in this support zone and moved up. I definitely got my target, and it is further moved ahead way above my targets. Yeah, so this was one of the trade which I took it, which I planned previously, which is fantastically working even now. Second was Tata Steel. This was a daily chart where there was a daily beautiful support. If you look at this green zone, and this is where exactly was my entry at 144. This was my stop loss 133. The prices have actually just come in here day before yesterday, which was Thursday. Friday it has started to react, and I am going to have a beautiful big target for this trade, where it is 183 is what I'm actually planning for this particular trade. Right now it has started to move up, but then of course it will take some time, and this is going to be a positional trade, so the target might come maybe in a month's time, and I am ready to hold on to it. Yeah. Third trade which I planned it was a commodity which was gold, but this is an old trade where a couple of days back, which I shared it in my own video. This was a daily, not a daily actually, this was a weekly support. Yeah, so each of these candles are a weekly candle, so this is going to be a much more stronger I would say support a zone. Yeah, and where we actually planned, even people, if somebody wants to move ahead and take this trade, I think this would be slightly late as of now, but then let's wait. In case if prices comes back to this zone again, then maybe I'm going to maybe re-enter here. But as of now, this is working fantastically well. This is where my entry was. Stop loss was right below this zone, and I'm keeping a target of almost 72,000 and above, maybe 72,400 or 500. This is where I would be actually booking my profit all the way here. So as of now, this is working fantastically well and moving right into my direction where I actually wanted to book my profits. Yeah, so this was the gold trade. So these were three trades which I discussed in my previous video. Now let me show you what I'm actually going to plan in the upcoming week. First, of course, these are mostly the commodities, because all of these commodities are actually on beautiful levels. So first commodity is crude oil. Yeah, and commodities are actually beautiful, I would say, way to actually trade and make money. Yeah, so crude oil, I see this is a daily chart where I see prices coming to this daily chart, and let the prices actually come to this daily. So let me remove these lines so this is much more clear. Yeah, so this is a daily chart, and this is where I see a beautiful support being created, and I see a resistance right on top over here. Yeah, so what I'm planning here in crude oil is let the prices come down. I'm not going to run behind the prices or maybe buy or sell at the current market price. The current market price of crude oil is 6432. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, this is crude oil mini, by the way. Yeah, so mini is basically where I take smaller lots. So this is where I'm going to keep my entry right above this support zone, a stop loss right below the support zone, and a target is exactly just before the resistance, because I believe what is going to happen to the prices is that let the prices come down, give me an entry, and then it is going to go above, and again the prices are going to come down, but then I will make all the way profit from my entry to my target. That's what I'm planning here in the crude oil, and I'm expecting next week, maybe in couple of days itself, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, prices should be coming and giving me an entry over here. Yeah, so that's my trade in crude oil. Now moving ahead, silver. So this is again a silver. This is again, as I said, a mini contract. If you look at here on top, this is silver mini. Yeah. Now in silver, I'm planning a short trade. Yeah, not a buying trade, because I believe silver is at a good resistance level, and this is where at 83,211. What I'm going to do here is, this is very close, in fact. Yeah, I'm going to keep my entry right before the resistance, a stop loss right above the resistance, which is somewhere around 83,500, 83,150 around is what I'm going to take my entry. Prices actually came very close. If I can zoom in and show it to you, it have actually given me an entry already, but I'm still expecting prices maybe to go further in the zone. Yeah, in case if it doesn't, then I will actually maybe I'll show you how then I will trade, and I'm going to keep my target all the way here, because I see a nice support here and the prices are actually going to turn back. So what I'm expecting as of now in silver is that maybe on Monday, if the prices actually touch my zone, it should be falling and giving me a target. Maybe in couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 days is the maximum which I'm expecting the target should come. But in case if it is straight away coming down from here, then maybe I will follow it from here itself. Yeah, maybe it might not come, because it has already come very close to the resistance. It might not go up again, it might just travel back down from here itself. And for this, I'll be following an inside candle pattern, which I've actually discussed in one of my education video. So in case if you have missed, then please watch that video. That will give you a good understanding of an inside candle pattern. So once I see this inside candle pattern, where I see maybe a mother candle followed by a child candle, or maybe a parent candle and a child candle, it's a good formation. Yeah, this can be of any color, and even this can be of any color. If I see this kind of formation, I'm going to enter it right below here at stop loss right above that parent candle. Yeah, so but for more clarity and more understanding about what is an inside candle, what is a parent candle and a child candle, do watch my education video which I've posted some time back. So this is what I'm planning here, and that it should be giving me the target in maybe 1 or 2 days. That's what I'm expecting. It's a beautiful resistance, ladies and gentlemen, which should definitely be working here. So my third trade is in natural gas. This is again a mini contract, because I normally trade in mini contracts, not the mega contracts. Yeah. So what I'm planning here is, because this is a beautiful support zone, 174, which is not really far away. Current market price is at 178, and I believe this is on the Monday itself. Prices should be coming here. Yeah, and then going above the target, which I'm planning all the way here till the previous highs. Yeah, so not really far away. This is what my trade in natural gas, and I'm expecting prices to actually come, give me an entry, and then maybe a target another maybe couple of days, 1 or 2 days itself. Yeah, so these are my trades which I'm actually planning it in the upcoming week, and today being Sunday, I thought of sharing it with you guys also. Thank you so much. I believe this video would give you some insights of how you should be trading into the stock market. Do watch my education videos also, which will make you a more confident, independent trader, so that you can trade by yourself and not really depend on certain tips coming from various directions. And at the same time, do use your own analysis before you take trades given by anybody for that matter. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you a lot of success moving ahead into the stock market. This is Sandeep Yadav signing off.